I never know when my camping experiments are going to be a success or a failure, but I got to know and I got to try before we go camping. So here we go. It is as good as a lava cake that we get from this French pastry place for like $5 because it's so ooey and gooey. We are making toastums today in a rice cooker. Can you believe that?
Welcome to another edition of Will It Fit? What do we have? We have my Blue Eddy, yay, that I use all the time for camping. I have my Dash rice cooker and I have my mini noodle cooker. And the thing is, will it fit? Ma Terry here, and what it is before I go out camping, I want to know, can I make this meal on the road too? If not, why bring it with me? So we're going to experiment with the My Mini. Let me switch around.
So the noodle cooker gets hotter than the rice cooker, so I thought that may not be a good idea. I'm going to switch it over to the rice cooker. And the rice cooker also has a bigger surface, but I'm just wondering whether or not it's weighty enough. Does this little Pop-Tart thing have enough weight to allow my rice cooker to cook it? We'll see.
All right, so I did some tests and I think it'll do fine in this little rice cooker. There we go. I'm going to open up the package, but first I'm going to preheat this up. Now remember, we were at 67% on the battery. So let me plug this in and make sure everything's working. Plug it in, Terry. There we go. There we go. And it's warming up. So we'll come back in a couple of minutes once it's warm. I think a warm up's about 2 minutes. Remember, have like this. This is nice. Have these I got over at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And then I determined that it's going to fit there. But what I'm going to have to do, we'll do this while it's warming up, is snip the corners. Isn't this disappointing that the fudge isn't all the way? No wonder this brand is number 2. So I'm just going to snip the corners, because I really don't want the fudge leaking out all over the place. But you know what? If the topping's that bad, is the middle going to be that bad too? So I'm snipping and snipping while it warms up. All right, and here's what it looks like snipped, and that shape should fit. And we'll be back in a minute to try it. All right, it's been about 3 minutes and our battery level is at 66%. Thank you for telling me that. And yeah, it feels kind of warm. Let's put this in. Now, do we want to warm it? Oh, it fits in there perfectly. Can you all see that? Yay, I cut it appropriately. So let's put the lid on. And I'm going to put it on cook for a couple of minutes and let's see what happens. Oh, I'm so happy. My battery is down to 65%. Yay! Wait, let me... That was funny. All right, so we started. It was 2:39 in the afternoon. It's 2:40. I'm going to let it go for another minute. Now then, I kept the lid on. I'm hoping that the steam will press down on it and start cooking it from the top. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to flip it over and let it cook through on the other side, or will it all melt and be a gooey mess in my little rice cooker? I know, right? This is scary. All right, I am back. It is 2:43, so I'm going to come around here and see how we're doing. How's it looking? How you doing in there? And I'm not sure what I need to use to pick it up. Let's see where we're at. The bottom's warm. You know what? I think a couple more minutes, it'll do fine. And I think I got the right little appliances there. So maybe 2 more minutes, but it's doing really well. Let me tell it to cook. Yay! Oh my God, I'm so excited for something warm and gooey. Yay! All right, it is 2:46, so let me write down the timestamp, 2:46, and where's our battery at? Our battery is at 54%. Oh my gosh, so it went down 13%. Time to test it, because it just popped up. Let's see what we got. And is it worth it? Woo! Smells delicious. Come on. Oh! It's fighting me. Oh man, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yay. So we're going to turn this off. We're going to unplug it. We're going to turn it off. We're down to 53%. Yay. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's ooey gooey and it smells delicious. All right, now the final test. Is this dessert worthy? Oh my gosh. So let's try it. It's really hot. Maybe I left it on 1 or 2 minutes longer. That's really good. Hold on. Ooey gooey. All right, so what have we learned? We learned it takes 6 to 7 minutes to cook it in a rice noodle cooker. In my rice cooker. It took 7 minutes. It used 14% of my battery, and that's a EB3A. It's 600 watts. So that was some juice, but I can just charge that battery up in the sun. All right, you know what, guys? This is so good. I'm gonna say see you down the road, and I'm gonna finish it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Bye.
But wait, there's more. Here's my mailing address, and we'll see you down the road. Bye.
No, I'm gonna torture you and watch me eat this. Oh my gosh, this really came out so good. The stuff on the inside, wait, can you see that? Oh my gosh, delicious. Nice and warm. That's good. Bye. What? You know I don't eat junk food, right? It is as good as a lava cake that we get from this French pastry place for like $5 because it's so ooey and gooey. It worked. I'm gonna celebrate. It worked. And for $1.25, I get 6 of them. Yay!